In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a blog with Hostinger Website Builder. By the end, you'll have a live blog post on your site and you'll know exactly how to manage it going forward. Start by opening Hostinger Website Builder and loading the website you want to edit. If you manage more than one site, double check you're in the right workspace so any changes apply to the correct project. Give the builder a moment to load your pages and layout. Everything you need will appear in the editing interface. Next, enable the blog feature in the builder. Look for the blog option within the main editing controls. Turning this on adds all the essentials behind the scenes, including a blog page and the tools you'll use to create and organize posts. If a prompt appears to set up your blog, follow it so the builder can prepare the necessary sections. Now open the blog section, sometimes called the blog manager, from the left panel. This is your command center for posts. You'll see where your articles will be listed once you create them, along with basic settings you can adjust later. For now, we're focused on getting your first post ready. Click Add New Post to create your first article. This opens the post editor where you'll write and format your content. Enter your blog title and content, and add any description or author details. Keep the title clear and descriptive so readers and search engines instantly understand the topic. In the content area, write a helpful introduction, break ideas into short paragraphs, and use subheadings if needed to make the text easy to scan. If there's a description field, add a brief summary to improve how your post appears in previews. Include the author name and a short bio if your theme supports it. This builds credibility and consistency across your blog. Add images or other content blocks if needed. High-quality visuals make your post more engaging. Use relevant images, captions where helpful, and add descriptive alt text to improve accessibility. Consider adding quotes, dividers, or buttons to guide readers. Keep your style consistent with your site's branding for a polished look. Review how the blog page looks on your website. Use the preview tool to check both desktop and mobile views. Make sure headings are readable, images are sized correctly, spacing feels balanced, and links work as expected. Tweak formatting until everything feels clean and inviting. Finally, publish the site so the blog becomes live. Hit publish, confirm the changes, and then visit your live blog page to see it in action. Share the link, and you're all set.